Hello and welcome with another video tutorial on C Sharp. I'm Jeremiah Jelonkovic, and today we're going to learn some more C Sharp. Now, let's just get back with our Solution Explorer and get a new project running. So, yeah, we click the right click the solution and then click new project, and we want a console application, and then we want accessibility basics. Okay, moving that out. Yep. Okay, so I said we're going to learn some accessibility basics. Okay, what is accessibility? Well, for example, when you're on an airport, you can't open every door, right? So that's accessibility. So you can't peek inside any door. So normally, when a user runs your program, some things will be visible to him and some things will not. That's not a good example. A better example is, okay, you create something, an object, and you want, okay, yeah, that's a good example. Yeah, great. You want people to see some features, some parts of this object, and some parts will be just accessible by the object itself. So, for example, oh, yeah, that's a good example. Okay, you're a human, I hope, and you have a heart. Try to stop it. I hope you didn't die. Okay. If you did, well, good luck to you. And, well, yeah, great job with stopping your heart. Yeah. So, yeah. I hope this is enough of an example. Okay, so we can have objects to define whether or not someone from outside, whatever from outside, can access stuff, our 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 parts, our methods, our parameters, or not, right? So let's come back to our previous example. So we had a class, right? We had a person, and then we had string, and I'm actually not saying public string, but just string first. First name, yeah, very nice. Okay, so when I did this for the first time, uh, you saw that we could see this in debugger, but whenever we wanted to instantiate this, so we said like person Bob, right, and then we created a new instance of a person, and we wanted to actually add a name for Bob, right? Then we like, oh, we can't, right? So yeah, because by default, and this is something for C Sharp, other programming languages might have uh, different defaults, right? But for C Sharp, if you do not say what is the accessibility of the part the thing you want to declare, then it gives the lowest privilege possible, right? So and then if you're better than me, okay, correct me if I'm wrong. I think the lowest possible privilege is private. So this is just something for me. I mean, for me, being person, right? So this is a variable that will be accessible only by this particular object. So it can be accessible within these brackets. Okay? Within these brackets. Now, the second one, and there are more of them, but I'll just go with the second one and that's it. The second one gives wide, and that's, again, I think that's the highest possible access right? So it's public. And these are actually, so let's say a public string last name, right? So yeah, as I said, I think this is the highest right, but again, correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah. So now I can say Bob's last name. See, I can see it in the drop down. This means I can access it. Bob's last name is Kowalski, right? But I can't denote the first name, right? Now, we will continue and get to know something more when we'll start thinking about constructors of a class, and that's the second, well, next lesson. But for now, this is it. So thanks for watching, and well, leave a comment, please subscribe or not, whatever, I don't care, and have a good time. See ya.